Hello everyone, welcome back to Steam Code. This is part 5 of our HTML for Beginners tutorial series, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add style to your HTML elements. So the way you add style is you use the style tag, and what style is it's basically extra attributes such as color, font size, position for any of your HTML elements. So first you add the style tag, and then there are multiple ways you can go about adding style to a particular element. First, you can specify the entire element. So if you want to add style to all of the elements with the p tag, then you say p curly brackets, and then you can specify the elements within here. So you can say, for example, color, colon, and let's set the color to red. If we save that and then reload, as you can see, the color of all of those has been set to red. You can also set the font size, 72 pixels. As you can see, the font size has changed. There are numerous different styles you can add. It would take hours to go over each of them, but this is just a brief overview of how you can use styles inside of your HTML documents. Another way you can specify styles is by specifying the ID or the class. So the way you specify an ID is you put the hash symbol and then the ID of whatever element you want to set the style of. So let's set the style of the P element with the ID of 1. So we say capital O N E. And let's set the color to blue. And let's set the size to 100 pixels. So if we save that, then as you can see, only one has been set to 100 pixels with a color of blue, while the other two have not. And then you can also do the same thing for classes. So the way you specify a class is you put a period and then the name of the class. So the class name is 2. And then let's set the color to green. And let's set the font size to 25 pixels. So as you can see, only the elements with the class of 2, which is just this one element, have been set to 25 pixels with a color of green. So this is all that there is really to styles. There are other ways you can specify styles, like creating an external CSS document, but I'll show you guys that in the future. But this is just a basic overview, and if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. This has been Steam Code, and I'll see you next time.